TextCortex and Notion are both valuable tools, but they excel in different areas. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. TextCortex, AI-powered writing assistant. Integrates with many platforms, over 50,000, offers content generation features like blog post outlines, product descriptions, and creative text formats. Notion, all-in-one workspace. Powerful project management and organization tools, allows creating databases, wikis, and to-do lists. Offers a basic AI writing assistant, Notion AI, for content improvement. Choose TextCortex if you prioritize AI writing assistants across various platforms and need help generating different content types. Choose Notion if you need a comprehensive workspace for project management, organization, and some basic AI writing improvement features within the Notion platform. TextCortex offers a free plan with limitations, while Notion has a free tier with generous features. Both TextCortex and Notion have positive user reviews. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs. If you need a powerful AI writing assistant for various platforms, TextCortex is a great option. If you prioritize a comprehensive workspace with basic AI writing features, Notion might be the better fit. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try TextCortex and Notion for free.